Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mix right here, and basically what these are is reusable bamboo chopsticks. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called GLAMFIELDS, and this is basically actually looks right here. So for the one that we got right here, it comes in a pair of 10 of them, so 5 in front and then 5 on the other side right here. And basically for the one that we got right here, it has a design like this. They do have many other designs available as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But I'm actually open it up and take one of them out to show you guys what it actually looks like, since they're all the same thing. Alright, so when you guys take it out, this actually looks right here. So this is basically what the top part looks right here. You can see it definitely has a very nice design. And this is basically what the bottom part looks right here. So they mentioned the way how they made the bamboo chopstick right here is supposed to have like a non-slip design on here. But definitely when you guys feel the chopstick on the side, it feels like they put a layer of wax or something on here that feels really smooth. And basically for this chopstick right here is 9.5 inches long. But like I mentioned, for this chopstick right here, it is reusable. So definitely hand wash it or put it in dishwasher to actually wash it as well. And obviously for this chopstick right here, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. So if you guys want to use it for food, snacks, sushi, or whatever, that is up to you guys. But definitely when you guys feel the overall weight of the chopsticks, it feels super lightweight. But this is basically what the chopstick looks like when you guys first take it out. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we have both chopsticks. So right here is a bamboo one, and then right here is a fiberglass one. And both of these are from the same brand, GLAMFIELDS. So let's test out both of them to show you guys how it works. So I'll test out the bamboo one here first. So when you guys use it to grab stuff, it definitely has a pretty good grip on here when you guys use it. Even though you guys can't really feel like a non-slip material on here compared to this side right here. Eventually it definitely does work. But for the other one right here, when you guys do the grab stuff, it definitely works really well because of that non-slip material that they have on the bottom part right here. So definitely eventually when you test out both of them, it definitely does work. Both of them doesn't slip when you guys actually use it. Definitely for the bamboo chopstick right here, it's much more lighter compared to the fiberglass. But if you guys want to use it for cooking stuff, you definitely want to use the fiberglass one. Because for the fiberglass chopstick, it's more heat resistant, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. But that is basically what the product looks like for both of these right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work. Actually works quite well. So basically for this chopstick right here, it's mainly designed for you guys to use it for like eating stuff or whatever. But if you guys want to use it for cooking stuff, you definitely want to be careful when you guys use it. You don't want to just leave it onto the side of your pot because it might burn. Even though it is a strong bamboo material on here, it's not highly recommended for you guys to do that. But definitely if you guys want to use it for like cooking stuff, like just stir frying stuff or whatever, you can definitely use that option on here. But definitely I see when I actually test our product, it definitely does work for like eating stuff or just cooking stuff in general. If you guys want something higher quality or even better, I do suggest going for like the fiberglass chopsticks. So these right here are basically the fiberglass chopsticks. If you see the way how they design it, it definitely looks pretty nice. They do have a very nice design on top, and they do have a nice design on the side right here to give you guys a very good grip. And basically for the bottom part right here, they do have a non-slip design. So that way when you guys are grabbing stuff like sushi or sashimi or whatever, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. And basically for these fiberglass chopsticks right here, it's heat resistant up to like 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So definitely just leave it onto the pot if you guys want to. But definitely when you guys feel the overall weight of the fiberglass chopstick right here, it feels much more heavier than your bamboo chopsticks. So if you guys don't mind the weight of the product, the fiberglass works a lot better. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality chopsticks to use at home, in an office, or even for a restaurant. That would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.